Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how to type NO like this or like this on desktop and laptop. In Microsoft Word, you can try the example. For example, you have a list like this and you want to have a number like this. So let's me show you on the desktop and I will explain why it have underscore below it, or and why sometimes not. Okay, so let me now I'm using external keyboard like a desktop. Actually, I'm on laptop, but I have a keyboard that with a numlock. So here we need a keyboard with numlock. So first just type in and then press Alt key, left or right, it no problem. Press Alt 167 and release it and boom. So let me try again and L167. So 167 is based on the numlock part. Okay, let me try it on laptop. So laptop you need to use with a screen keyboard right here. Just type screen on screen keyboard. So just open it up right here. So you need to press my keyboard, my virtual keyboard have numlock like this. If you don't have, just go to press this one. Okay. Sorry, press option, right? Option and turn on numeric keypad so it will show this part. That's okay. So then turn on numlock like this. Press Alt and then it will show you. Sometimes you need to press Alt Fn function and Alt and 167 and then it will show like that in on the virtual keyboard right here for laptop. Okay, why it have like this and all like this? So it depends on the font. For Time New Roman or some font is like this. But if let me change to another font, for example, Calibres, it will show like this. So basically it's the same, but different font show different response. Okay, hope you learned something from video. See you next time.